Alfonso here. I'm here to show you today how you can connect your Facebook and Google accounts to MyDataNinja in just a couple of clicks. Now, this is exactly the same process for every single network that we have. So we first come here to the dashboard. We are here either from the onboarding page, we can set up marketing channels, or we can come here to marketing channels. So click here, marketing channels, and we can see here Meta ads, Bing ads, Google ads, and TikTok, or even custom URLs. So if we want to add custom meta ads, for example, so we come here, where you see here the different steps, right? Connect to MyDataNinja, choose accounts, set up accounts, and finish. So we click here, right? I've already connected, so this is going to be quite easy for me. In your case, we'll probably ask for some more information. Oops. Here you can see I have one account. This is a very old one that I have personally. We click on select, and then we click next. So now that is set up, right? I've identified 42 campaigns, 47 ad sets, 81 ads, and 8 conversions. We click on next. And this is it. It's already connected. So we can go to dashboard or connect more accounts. We click here on connect more accounts. And we can see here that this is done. So it's still not tracked, right? So in our case, we need to come here, right? And this will probably take a bit of time until this is actually tracking properly. Now, if we wanted to, just forget about this account, we can click here and hide the account. Once an account is hidden, it cannot be unhidden unless you reconnect again. Now, if we want to do with Google, for example, Google Ads, we come here, we click, and for example, so if I choose this one, it's going to give me access to an account, but it's not going to be, I'm not going to connect because this is not my Google account. But if I wanted to, I could just click here, continue, and then once I do this, information will appear on here, and I will be able to set up the accounts exactly the same as in Facebook. And this is exactly the same process with TikTok and Bing ads. And with custom URLs, however, the process is certainly different, and we'll do a different video on that. Thank you.